edit and loop it.
Okay, so today we are going to do a full video on this kind of setup. Okay, so today we connected this computer to this one and we project the output of this OBS to this one, then we project it to the main screen. Now today let me show you how I did the multi-view on that screen. Today I'm not going to use this monitor because I'm not getting the hub, that USB hub to this PC. I think it's messed up. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one from here, and I don't want to use this one. I don't know if I can do it like this. Good. Now we have TV here, we have this second PC and the main production, and also we have our switcher. But this one, there's gonna be a full video on this one, so I'm not going to talk about this, but I will just use this for a switching of this video. Now let's look at this one. We have the output of this PC to this one, so I think this is the name PC Live. That's the name of the PC. Now if you go to the tools here on OBS and you go to teleport, you can see the teleport is enabled here. The name on the teleport is PC2. So if I go to this PC, that's the name I'm going to see here on this PC. Okay, so let me go to tools on OBS, then you go to teleport and you go you enable the teleport here. Okay, so you don't need the identifier name here, but if you want to connect this one to this one back, you can also name it here. So that's the PC1 sender, so this one can also send to this one. Okay, so let's go. Let me carry this one because I'm going to send this one to this one, so I will need an identifier name here. That's PC2. Okay, so that's it. So that means you have to go ahead and install Teleport on your PC. Okay, Teleport is a plugin on OBS forum. If you go to OBS website, you can also go ahead and download it, or you download it on or inside the description of this video. Okay, now after installing the Teleport, just go ahead and click on tools as I mentioned. Then you go to teleport and you enable it here, then you give it a name. Now if your PC is nav strong, you can also give out the quality of 90. Don't let it reach 100%. okay, so let's give 84 because my PC is somehow low. Okay, so that's it. So 84 here. Then if you go to teleport on this PC, we have teleport that is 80. I think because of this one and this one, I'm just using that 18 and 84. I think it's worked perfectly for me, but you can use 84. So that's it. Let me close this. Let me leave this one. Now after installing teleport, let's go to the network. Now I have this kind of 4G router here. That is MTN 4G router. They just connect. A lot of people are saying they want full setup, but I don't know how to say it right now, but I'm just saying that just power your MTN router, put it here, then plug in your internet router, internet cable. Okay, I only have one output on this router, so I have to connect this router to this PC. Okay, so this internet cable is going to this PC. Now I'm connected. So if I want to connect this one to this one, what I have to do is to just give out a RAN key to this one. That means we are going to use Wi-Fi. Okay, so now if you go to your Wi-Fi, then you go to the internet, you can see that I've connected the internet here. You can see 4G router, that's 4G MTN 4G. Okay, now that's it. So both computers is on the same network. That's the point. Okay, so after the internet, then let's go to teleport, the second PC or the main production here. Let's come to this one. The main production is going to receive the output of this one. So let me delete this output that is coming from this side. Okay, and we have our scene here. So this scene is going to receive the output of this one. So I'm creating this scene. So go ahead and create a scene. It's just a scene. Just click on the scene side on the plus sign, then you name it. So let me see, PC2. Okay, so PC2. So this is my scene. Now let me go to the sources. Okay, so where my source? Okay, so this is where I put my source. So don't worry, find your source and go ahead and click on the plus sign. You can see the teleport here. If you're not seeing the teleport, just restart your PC after installing the teleport. Okay, then you go to teleport. You can also name it like PC2, or let's say PC2 receive somehow. Then you click on OK. So this is what you're going to see. Click on the refresh list here. The refresh list, just click on that, then choose the disabled. You can see that the PC2 is here. That means this is the name coming from this PC. So this PC is giving out the PC2 name on the network, then receive it here. So let's see. You can see this is the output of this OBS. This is Kingdom Community Church. Now, if you click on this one here, it will show up here if your internet is strong. So let's see. PC2 is coming to teleport. Now you can see it's on the screen right now. Then that's all. Click on OK. Then Control F is on the screen. So that's it. So anything I change up on here on the OBS, let's say worship, main offering, you can see it's coming fast here. So let's say KCC, open prayer. I think it switch perfectly if your internet is strong. That's it. Now this is how you can connect this one to this one. I think I made a full video, right? Okay, so let's go to the multi-view. So this is our TV here for our monitoring on this PC. Okay, let's go. So if in case you're using TV screen, just connect your power, connect your HDMI, then set your HDMI to your HDMI ports. That's HDMI 5 or 1. That's it. So connect your HDMI port to your PC. Okay, that's it, to your TV. That's all. Now this is how you can give out the multi-view. Now let's go to the view on the toolbar. Okay, so go to OBS view. That's the toolbar on OBS. So go to view, go to open multi-view, then you click on one of these. So that means the first one is the PC screen and the second one is the TV that you connected to your system. Okay, so connect click on the second one. Okay, it will be on the screen. You can see that. Okay, so let me just close this one and show you again. So let's say we are going to close this one. Let's do it again. I think it's 2. So let me close this one too. Okay, so this is the screen of the PC. This is for Mr. Boat. I don't know who is this. Okay, so let's come to OBS again. We are doing this again. So go to view on the toolbar, go to open multi-view, then you click on your TV name. Okay, so DTV, that's it. Click on it, then to come on the screen. You can see that's it. This is how you can give out the multi-view. That's all. So what is left? I don't know what is left. Okay, so someone was also asking about the sound. I don't know, the sound is going to be another video. Okay, so that one I'll show you in a full video of that. And also this one too, you have the you have the switcher here. That's Stream Deck Mobile. This one too is going to be on full video. So if I click on Bible, click on PC, I click on this one, it's showing here. And yeah, so come let's show it to them. Let's see. Bible video, you can see, and Reverend is on the screen. Sharp 0.1 latency. I think that's all. Good. This is the full video of how we just connect our PC to this one, the multi-view and the internet. I think we made a full video. Thank you for watching.
That's right.